Bitcoin has crashed to 82K. Silver and gold as well. My smart money isn't selling, but buying. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5. Even though Bitcoin's down, silver's down, gold's down, right? Precious metals is down $6 trillion in value. Unbelievable. I tweeted that out just now. And man, honestly, I'd like to say one thing. Welcome to crypto, guys. If you're in the precious metals, you know how we feel. But for us, that's like just the 20% move is just a minor correction. We eat 80% moves for breakfast. Oh, damn. Wow. The average Joe in the market is probably screaming right now if they are, if they've not seen this kind of volatility. We have, of course, right, in the crypto space, but the average person, the average investor does not see this rapid move of precious metals or their markets. It is what it is. All right, well, we're going to be talking about that and more in today's episode, and also doing some trades. And if you're interested in trading, could you head over to x.dj15.com, where you can sign up for BYBIT, my favorite exchange. That's bybit.davincij15.com. And, you can actually get a huge trading bonus just for doing that. So I appreciate you if you go ahead and do that. And that's what the exchange will appreciate you by giving you almost a $30,000 bonus. All the other exchanges will do the exact same thing. Why? Because they want customers. Did you know banks used to do that? Not anymore. All right. With that said, let's get on with the news for today. And for those who are new here, if you just, scroll down, hit the like and hit the subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. And then if you just hit more to expand the description, you can read here and you can see where you can actually find the website to actually join BYBIT, which is x.dj15.com, right? And then if we scroll on down, we can see the news. Let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. We haven't looked at this in a long time, which is the outflows and inflows into the ETF. And you can see just negative. Like if we add this up, I think it's around 600. Ooh, whoa, almost a billion. Oh, there's more than 600. That's damn. There's 2 billion. Oh my gosh. More than 2 billion this week gone out of Bitcoin ETFs. Just like people are running for the hills. Run to that dollar. Wow. Unbelievable. Just crazy amounts of withdrawals and stuff like that. And just, there was some greens, but man, they just disappeared, man. They came when it was going up and then they're leaving when it's going down. Just crazy. Alrighty, let's take a look at the fear and greed index, right? Because of that, and because obviously people are leaving because they're afraid. And yep, we've been in fear and extreme fear for a long time, even though we're up, man. Yesterday, I could have swore we were up for a while, but no, man. Let's take a look at the charts and take a look at the 3 months. Let's see here. Damn, we haven't passed that. This number is 60-ish, I guess, around 60-ish. And we've been down at the bottom for like 3 months, for most of the time below the 40 level. And on averaging probably around the 20 level. Jesus. For the most part, 2025 level. That's some serious bearishness. Wonder how long we're going to stay down there. Well, eventually, the sun will rise, right? This thing will get to the other side. So it is what it is. This is interesting. Now, this includes ETFs, right? And if you were watching the Daily Hodl show, this was stuck at 17.75 for 3 to 4 months. This month, it's up to over 18%. That means, right, countries and businesses, not you, not value have increased their holdings. Yes. The average person is selling into the hands of governments and corporations. So what are you doing, right? You need to join the school, right? And learn how to hold Bitcoin, right? If you just head over to DaVinciJ15.com, if you head over to DaVinciJ15.com and you join Blueprint for Bitcoin, right? I'm going to be probably making it easier for people to get in, but right now it's a little bit more expensive, but you'll learn how to hodl. You'll learn how to manage your emotions and actually keep your Bitcoins forever. Not selling it to those rich guys who get to print money for free, but you keep it forever, which will always give you value and you can always get that free printed money too. So instead of giving it to your Bitcoin to those guys who get free printed money, why don't you hold it and ask them for free printed money? That's what I'm teaching you in the course, right? So come on down and learn that. All right, let's go over a trade for today, see if we could find something. As you can see, it wasn't ready to trade here, and we just dumped. I didn't think we were going to go higher. Wasn't sure if this was going to break this level here. I didn't think it would, but I wasn't willing to trade that. And yeah, there we go. We broke down all the way to, look at that, to that parking garage, all the way down here at, what was it, 80,675, almost there. So don't be surprised if this is another breakdown. Looking at the RSI for any indication, yeah, we got a little bit of a divergence, and let's see here. Is that divergence? Yes, it is. It's confirmed. This divergence is confirmed over here. So a retest of the lows, one last test of the lows, and we may be going higher, at least priced on the hourly, right? Not on the 4 hour. The hourly says that we might go a little bit higher. Maybe we'll come back up to the 200 period moving average, but that's about it. And maybe that's going to happen during the weekend. Looking at the 4 hour, yeah, there's nothing here to write home about yet for us to really jump for joy and say, hey, we're going higher. It's more like, yeah, we're going lower. So, yeah, you just have to position yourself properly at the lower time frames, and that's the only way to deal with that. There's nothing here that we can actually cling to as a trade. A short trade was up here, and yeah, we missed it. We missed it. That's it. Okay, moving on. Let's go on to Ethereum. Ooh, Ethereum, right? We were saying that yesterday that we're gonna come back down to what, the 27.35, and we did, and it's now holding that level. We're trying to see if we can hold that level and come back up, because if we don't, man, it's another lights out situation, right? I mean, like, it is so bad, right? You can see if we draw, let's see here. It's such a big drop here that's coming. You see here, yeah, I guess it's straight to that line, that blue line. So it's 2,500, just above 2,500 after that is the next level. Wow, that sucks. I'm sure there's price action below there, yeah. There it is. Well, that's it. Yeah, nothing you could do. You could just short it. And if you're going to short it, just head over to BYBIT.DaVinciJ15.com or x.DaVinciJ15.com. Links in the description below. Let's take a look at Solana. Oof. Oh, man, I'm afraid to tell you where Solana's going now that we've broken the lows. And this is a clear indication that you might as well sell your Solana at this point. We are going to break down heavy. there might be a little bit of a break, but don't count on it. Jesus, don't count on it. It is what it is. There's a breakdown where, yeah, we broke down this Fibonacci levels are useless now. Retracement is useless because we broke that level. Wow. Okay, so what do we got here? Let's see if we've got the parking garages are. Let's see what we've got as the next support level. Okay. Oops. Let's just see here. I'm going to copy this. Let's see if this thing lines up with the support level. Oh boy. It's amazing how that stuff works, right? You see right here, right here, right there, right here. And I didn't even go back and do that and look at it. I was just like, just the garages, right? Parking garages. It's a beautiful thing, right? For trading, right? And there, you see right here. There it is. We're key level, another. So let's just see how far we can go before we maybe see a reversal, maybe. I don't know. Oof. Really? We're at another key level. Oh, we bounced off that key level. Okay. 106. Eesh. There is definitely. Yeah, I'm not happy about this one. Let's see here. AB equals CD. No, I don't see that. Okay. Well, I don't see. I can't see right now a definite target level that I can name at this point in time that I could quickly see something, but no. Yeah, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. We're going to break down. I mean, we knew that was coming, right? We knew that during the bear market, crypto goes down. It is what it is. And we were in the bear market since, October, right? The bloody October. Nothing we can do. And so hopefully you took some chips off the table. And if you haven't, yeah, there could be a bounce, but don't count on it. It is what it is. Thanks for watching. Peace.